Well, hello there, YouTube. Oh gosh, I forgot what day it is. It's Thursday, March. I didn't look. I work all day, and I don't even look at the clock or the calendar. Tomorrow's my day off. I'm gonna work part of the day because I'm taking off Sunday to go up. We got grass. We got they delivered a whole bunch of grass, a whole bunch of sod. So that means the sprinklers are all in. I saw the front door was finally stained. So that's gonna finally be exciting. It's been such a long process, almost 2 years, and holy cow, I'm getting to start. Tell my wife I'm thinking we're never gonna get there. I don't even think about it anymore. You know, I think about it, but I don't. It's just never seemed real for a long time. It's taken way too long. Way too long. Oh, these stoplights are... Right now I'm on this road, and the road construction, they're extending this toll road all the way out. So I don't get on the toll roads very often unless I'm really in a hurry to get home after being gone all day. But it is beautiful outside. I know this thing hasn't acclimated yet. It's probably in the 70s. See, I don't have a jacket or anything on. Gloves. It's just gorgeous. I think our winter's finally over. Oh gosh, and February is our worst month. Last year we had about 8 inches of snow. We had ice. My trees fell down. A lot of my branches just hit the ground from the weight. Couldn't hold the weight. This year we had a little bit of cold weather, like 20. You know, I talked about it on the last video. It was like 82 in the morning, and then by afternoon it was 25. So just like with an hour and a half, an hour, it dropped 50, 60 degrees. And it's just weird how that happens here. It just blows in, or whatever blows in, but it's just crazy. But it never lasts long. It lasted an entire week. So there were some baseball tournaments going on in... Oh, I know what I wanted to say. I ordered... It's really hard to find oil filters for the Can-Am Spyder. I used to buy the Outlaws. You know, I could buy like 5 or 6 for like, you know, $25, and you can't find them anymore. I can't even find the Goldwing filters. They're just not available on Amazon anymore. And I buy the Honda filters that are A01s. They got A02s, but they're not supposed to be as good. So I ordered another one. I just changed the oil in the Spyder, but this one I thought I needed it right away, but I got another 1,000 miles before I need to change. I already got the oil. No exotic animals out. I was hoping I'd see some zebra and kangaroos. They're not out. They must be in the barn. It's a nice day. They should be out. See, they got exotics. They got kangaroos and zebra. I saw the zebra before. They're real skittish when you stop and get close to them. But anyway, I got the oil for this, and I put the same oil because you can't find Rotella T6 anymore. I mean, even you can't find anything anymore. The shelves are empty. I don't know what's going on. Like Rotella T6, I used to use it in the Spyder because it's 5W40, and it's a Tazo M1, M2 certified, so it works great. So I've been buying the Walmart brand, the motorcycle oil, like 10W40. It's really good oil. I've used it before. I mean, it's a lot cheaper, and it's fantastic oil. It's every bit as good as, you know, Valvoline or whatever. Every bit as good. It's probably exactly the same stuff. I just put a different label on it and a different package. But I've been using that, and I use that in this, and I used it in the Spyder, and it works fantastic. But what was I gonna say? Oh, I remember what I was gonna say about talking about oil and this and the Spyder. I had to I put a new battery in this It's a 14. I put it in last year, and man, it just zip, 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 zip. You know, it could sit out there for a month. Zip, 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 like just fires up like you wouldn't believe. But if I leave the spider out there, like the cold weather, if that spider sat out there for a week in the cold weather, it goes, and then it barely starts. So I had to buy a battery tender from a Monster, and I plugged it in, and it's keeping the battery charged. But I've never had to do that ever on this thing. This could sit for a month, and it just boom, it'd fire right up like a, you know, just simple as can be, as fast as it can be. But the spider would just go. So are they? I don't know if they're using just substandard batteries. I think I'm gonna probably take it out and go buy a new one that's not from BRP, because I don't trust it if it sits there a while, or if it's, you know, I'm somewhere else and the battery's dead or whatever. I think I'm just going to replace it. This can't be that much. I can go. I got this one from Walmart. Man, it's a super cranker. I never have to put a battery tender on this. It can sit there a year and I don't have to get a battery tender. It just fires right up. Now I did notice before I changed the battery, it was starting a little slow, like the spider did. You know, just gonna, you know, just exactly like the spider. But now, man, I put the Dune battery. This is so fast. It's just like it was when it was brand new. So yeah, batteries go bad, but the spider's only 2 years old. Turned 2 years old in February. So it's just 25 months, little over 24 months old. I never did get the extended warranty. I don't think I want to waste the money on it. I do all my own stuff anyway, so the only thing that would go bad is the motor explodes. And everything else I could probably deal with. Brakes, oil, spark plugs, I can deal with it. Tires. But that's what I was thinking of, the battery. How can the battery go? You know, it happened even last year when the thing was only a year old. If it gets cold, the battery just barely cranks. So it's really kind of weird. This, you know, I don't know if any of you guys, anyone else has that issue. If they leave your spider sit and you don't have a battery tender on it, does it just drain, or just kind of slowly drain? It's the first experience I've had of that with the motorcycle. I've never had it on any of, you know, this and any other motorcycles I've had. It's just that. I'm just wondering if they might be using substandard parts. Just a thought. Bye.